Hey everybody, gonna do an unboxing video of my new pair of tennis sneakers. I'm replacing my trusty K-Swiss Hypercourt Express 2s, which I've had a couple pairs of, and they've been good, comfortable. They've worn pretty well, but time to get something new. So I ended up getting the New Balance Fresh Foam X CT Rally Unity of Sport. I've had good experience with New Balance sneakers too, so I think that these will be just as comfortable for as the Hypercourt Expresses. And the color's looking sharp, the design's looking sharp, and cannot wait to try them on and hit the court sometime this weekend. Again, these are the New Balance Fresh Foam X CT Rally Unity of Sport, size 11.5. And the color is black and purple.